piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed at home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried, wee wee, all the way home.
This little piggy found a flower. This little piggy rolled in foam. This little piggy baked a cookie. This little piggy licked the spoon. And this little piggy laughed,
wee wee, all the way home. This little piggy packed a picnic. This little piggy built a dome. This little piggy chased a bubble. This little piggy combed a gnome. And this little piggy sang, wee wee, all the way home.
Like and subscribe to Little Song Garden. Bye for now.